I am really, really excited about this thing that we're going to visit today. I say this thing like you don't know what I'm talking about. It's in the title of the video. It's not a secret, but I just discovered that there is a film vending machine here in Bushwick, like a 15-minute walk away from my apartment. So that's what we're gonna go check out today. I'm also testing out this new lens for my camera and a lav microphone, so hopefully you can hear me okay. It doesn't sound too loud, doesn't sound too soft, too noisy. But we'll see. This is all a test. This is just gonna be a nice, simple video of me walking over this vending machine and buying some film. So let's get to it. So I just thought about it. I hope this vending machine takes cards because I did not bring any cash, but it's a vending machine that sells film, so I assume it takes cards. But we'll see. This is Troutman and Evergreen, and right down the block here is Bushwick Community Darkroom. This vending machine is right outside Bushwick Community Darkroom, which is exactly what it sounds like. It's darkroom facilities that anybody can come and use. You have to pay, obviously, but they're open to the public. So if you want more information about that, just in case you live in the area, I'll leave it down below. But 110 Troutman, that's where the vending machine's at. All right, let's make some purchases. Seems like it's been pretty busy because there's some empty slots, but we've got some expired Fujifilm there, Pro 160, some disposables, some Agfa APX. It's $10 for the Fuji Pro 160. Let's do that. Stay broke, shoot film. Card approved, nice. 32. It's not down here. Oh, it's over here. Okay, cool. There we go. Pro 160. I've never shot this before, but I'm excited. So if you want more information, go to film_NYC. That's their Instagram account. So I've got my roll of film. Obviously not everybody's into film photography, but it is becoming way, way more popular than it used to be. And no one's around, I'll do this. So I love it. I absolutely love it. And that's the best thing about living in this part of Brooklyn, about living in New York City in general. You see cool stuff like this. Not that this can only happen here. That's not what I'm saying, but that kind of stuff happens more often and people have the resources to do that kind of stuff. So anyway, I always appreciate you guys watching. Thank you very much. This was a short video today. I feel a lot of these. You know, I love my neighborhood and I love shooting film, so we'll do it more. I absolutely love this place. Major, major haunted house vibes. I don't know if anybody actually lives here at the moment, but very cool looking.